gray frog on the left side. Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH or dial 911 immediately. Program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Wayne County, Ohio. The child was last seen at 62 South Main Street, Marshallville, Ohio. The suspect is believed to be driving a 2017 black 1500 Dodge Ram quad cab with Ohio license plate number JTC 9063. The suspect has been identified as a white male, last seen wearing a black beanie and a checkered flannel shirt. The abducted child, Sutton Eggman, is a 2-year-old white male with blonde hair, last seen wearing fuzzy green pants and a jacket with a gray frog on the left side. Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect vehicle. This concludes the emergency alert system message.
Keep breathing or not, I got a couple buddies of mine that just kind of laugh it off.
Southwestern Mariposa County in central California, South Central Madera County in central California, East Central Merced County in central California, until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:47 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located 7 miles north of Madera Acres, 14 miles north of Madera, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado thunderstorm will release over mainly rural areas of southwestern Mariposa, south central Madera, and east central Merced counties. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. California has issued a tornado warning for South Central Mariposa County in central California, Central Madera County in central California, Eastern Merced County in central California, until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 4:08 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 12 miles west of Yosemite Lake, or 19 miles north of Madera, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado thunderstorm will release over mainly rural areas of south central Mariposa, central Madera, and eastern Merced counties. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dell, Knowles, Utah Test and Training Range North, Clive, Great Salt Lake north of the Causeway, Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway, Head Island, Lakeside, and Gunnison Island. This includes Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 36 and 88. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Utah: Box Elder and Tooele.
And I have to admit, I mean,
Go back to our phone lines. Pam is on the line in Cottonwood Heights.
All right, now I gotta wait for KUED to go off.
Comes the document, and you will hear Janet, the trust lawyer, my trust lawyer, now your trust lawyer, take you through it. Oh, you see a word that you don't understand. You click on it, up comes the definition. We have thought of everything for you. You see everything in red? Well, this is the information that you put in. Oh, you change your mind. You don't want to do something with that person. You go back, you click, and we automatically populate all the documents with
There they go.
corrections. So in 30 minutes.
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Box Elder County in northern Utah, northeastern Tooele County in northern Utah, until 11:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 10:44 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 36 miles south of Park Valley to Utah Test and Training Range north near Knowles, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, Mesonet reported gusts to 70 miles per hour. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dell, Knowles, Utah Test and Training Range North, Clive, Great Salt Lake north of the Causeway, Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway, at Island, Lakeside, and Gunnison Island. This includes Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 36 and 88. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Utah: Box Elder and Tooele.
All right, that came out of nowhere. Thanks, Salt Lake City. All right, sit rep. Salt Lake City is most likely going to issue another SVR here.
Please call the number on your screen or visit our safe, secure website right now.
These are all great resources, Mary Beth, but it strikes me that this particular one, maximizing
Don't
Social
mind
Security benefits,
KUED plan over there.
is a really invaluable tool.
Thank you, Tracy. I am so proud of this. I put together my best tips for viewers of public television to help them figure out what's the best time to claim Social Security benefits. There are lots of rules, but there's only one right decision for you.
Exactly, and I love the fact that it is not a huge book and you can skip to the section that most applies to you, but terrific resource. And by the way, the Maximizing Social Security Benefits softcover book, along with the program DVD, the bonus DVD, the Women and Social Security booklet, plus access to the public TV members section of Mary Beth's website and the virtual question and answer webinar, that's all part of the Social Security and You Master Package, and it will be sent to you when you make an ongoing contribution of $15 a month or a one-time donation of $180 to this station. You can contribute now by visiting us online or at our safe and secure website, or you can call the number on your screen. We hope you'll take the time to support this program and all the other wonderful programs and specials that this station brings you throughout the year. Well, Mary Beth, you've already covered a lot of ground, but there is much more information to share.
There sure is. I am so excited to share all this important information, my top tips, with public television viewers.
That is all coming up because we are now going back to Social Security and You with Mary Beth Franklin. And your generous contributions keep informative and engaging programs alive and well on this public TV station. Thank you so much for your support.
back to Social Security and you. Let's talk about how your marital status affects your decision of how and when to claim Social Security. But here's a few important facts first. Women tend to live longer than men, often because they're taking time out of the workforce to care for kids or elderly family members.
Call it.
Savings
Call it.
tend to be less. Their Social
Call
Security
it.
benefits
And
tend to
women
be
still
less,
possess
and
these
they have to
miraculous
make
sign
them
gifts today is
stretch
that
over a longer
men
period
and
of
women
time.
aren't able to
Women are
perform
also
these
most
miraculous
likely to
sign gifts
end their
today.
I called it.
finances
I don't
alone
see anyone
due to
raising
widowhood,
people from the dead as the apostles
or
were able to do,
increasingly
or
the fact that a
healing
lot of
people
women
who were
simply don't
blind
get
and
married.
lame from birth. I
So
don't see any of that. You know, you have to set aside all the
women
chicanery and
rely
the
heavily on
false
Social
things going on at the
Security
healing
than men.
crusades,
In
or
fact,
I don't see men and
more
women
than half
able
of
to
all Social Security
foretell
beneficiaries
accurately
are
the
women.
future
And when
as
we get
back
to
in
the
these days
oldest
when they had
ages
this.
of 85 plus, 2/3
Here
of
goes
all
KUTR.
Social Security beneficiaries are women. You can collect Social Security benefits in a variety of ways. If you've earned your minimum of 30 credits, you may collect as a retiree in your own workload. If you become disabled, you're unable to
KHQ in this lane.
for Social Security disability benefits. If you
What about 610?
or in some cases, divorce from someone who isn't able,
Yep.
you may be able to claim benefits as a spouse.
TV and you.
Lose your spouse, you may be able to claim survivor benefits. Let's start with singles and define singles as those people.
There's that one. Right up here. Issues this one right down here.
And that's because
Oh boy.
Social Security defines an eligible divorce spouse as someone who has been married at least 2 years, divorced, and currently single. But if you meet the definition of single, your decision of when to claim Social Security is pretty straightforward. It's based on your average lifetime earnings and the age when you choose to claim. If you claim benefits early, they will be reduced. If you wait till you reach the retirement age, you get your full benefit. Now, here's the tough choice for singles. Should you delay up until age 7? Yes, it is true you will get a bigger benefit. And if that is going to make a big difference in your retirement income plan, that would be the right decision for you. But if you have health concerns or if the majority doesn't own your family, you may want to claim benefits at your full retirement age and that's the difference. Because frankly, if you die before collecting Social Security, there's no survivor to get your benefit. Let's talk about married couples. Now, they have a lot of options. In most cases, it makes sense for the higher earning spouse to wait as long as possible up until age 70 to claim benefits. I've talked about this, biggest retirement benefit possible, and possibly creating a larger survivor benefit.
Various movements.
Having said that,
It's gone through sometimes what is described as
Another week for KUED.
62, if she is not working, because we always have to worry about those earnings restrictions, or at full retirement age if she is. The idea is to bring some income into the households, and it takes a bit of the sting away of having the other spouse wait up until 7. And here's one of the great secrets that most people don't understand. Even though the spouse who claims benefits early, her retirement benefits would be permanently reduced because she claimed them early. It will have no impact on her survivor benefits if she is at least full retirement.
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Weaver County in northern Utah, eastern Fox Elder County in northern Utah, northwestern Davis County in northern Utah, north central Tuella County in northern Utah until 12:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 11:28 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southwest of Howell to 13 miles east of Great Salt Lake north of the Causeway to 14 miles west of Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, Mesonet reported. 11:19 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, Marsh UPR site reported sustained winds of 52 miles per hour gusting to 73 miles per hour. Impact. Expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Brigham City, Tremonton, Cache, Cooper, Cary, Willard, Marriott Slaterville, Bear River City, Greene, Plymouth, Howell, Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway, Riverside, South Willard, Peter, Great Salt Lake north of the Causeway, West Point, Plain City, Garland, and Huntsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 355 and 394. Interstate 84 between mile markers 26 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Utah: Box Elder, Davis, Tooele, and Weber.
In Social
Crap,
Security.
we got another one. Box Elder, Cache, and Rich.
They definitely are. We are in full swing of St. Patrick's Day, and
Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cache County in northern Utah, northeastern Box Elder County in northern Utah, northwest. That's the purpose for all of these things, that God still providentially
wow, you guys
gives
aren't
his
relating
people
it.
with certain abilities to be able to serve the church. That's still happening today. And again, why? Well, it's for the youth. This includes Logan, Smithfield, Highland, Wellsville, Lewiston, Clarkson, Garden City, Trenton, University, Benson, Peter, North Logan, Providence, and Hyde Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 with mile markers 390.
love to give back to my community. So hearing about your give back program really is meaningful to me. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, thank you. So the Give Back program is really the best of all of our brands. So Revere Home Loans, Revere Custom Homes, and Revere Home Design. We've taken the best tools and resources and funds until 12:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: Cache and Rich. The East Coast. I can't give 50 different cities, but there's wherever you have a hub is a concentration of one airline. In Chicago, both Delta from God know they need something from God. Know that they're insufficient in themselves to do what needs to be done, and they're looking to the Lord in some way. And we would love the vision for our project for this year. We haven't yet.
I gotta wait for KUD again.
And here is a mind-blowing statistic. The difference between claiming your benefit as soon as possible at age 62 versus waiting up until age 70 to get the biggest benefit possible means...
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cache County in northern Utah, northeastern Box Elder County in northern Utah, northwestern Rich County in northern Utah until 12:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 11:50 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Trenton, Oregon, 12 miles northwest of Logan, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Logan, Lake Town, Bear Lake, Idaho portion, Cache, Smithfield, Hiram, Wellsville, Lewiston, Clarkston, Garden City, Trenton, Bear Lake, Garden, Utah State University, Benson, Peter, North Logan, Providence, Nibley, and Hyde Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 396 and 400. Bus Route 89 between mile markers 459 and 502. Utah Route 30 between mile markers 110 and 122. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Box Elder, Utah.
75% of the parents benefit. And the dependent children...
Only one type of burger. For every family.
Roberts, you're from the coaches, players,
Alright, so
and so much more.
I'm going to make a prediction. Salt Lake City already issued a warning for this up here, which includes kind of far northeast portions of Box Elder County. So encompasses this. They might issue another one farther south of this, encompassing at least this area. So we'll see what they do here.
76-68, BYU goes to the Fog Allen Fieldhouse, and takes down the Kansas.
We'll see what they do here. What the hell? Did I just call it? Oh my fucking god, I called it. Motherfuckers, I called it.
12:08 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Wellsville to near Hooper, moving east at 50. Source: weather station observed.
1010's relaying.
55 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. The Brigham City Airport reported a wind gust of 70 miles per hour. Impact: expect considerable tree damage.
Nope.
City, Lake Town, Hill Air Force Base, Roy, Clinton, North Ogden, South Ogden, Washington Terrace, Riverdale, Hiram, Hooper. Edgewood, Weber State University, South Willard, West Haven, and Pleasant View. The following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 338 and 363. Interstate 84 between mile markers 82 and... For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Pay rent, which is not much, but...
Until 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: Elder, Cass, Ridge, and Weaver.
Yep, I called it.
And you can do
wow.
wireless
All right,
on your
bet.
phone, but go
May seal the race for president.
The two major parties in Utah are taking opposite approaches. Democrats will have a primary election, and Utah Party
You can call the number on your screen, and we would absolutely love to hear from you
right
now.
Back to
that
KUED.
Social Security Master Package really has some terrific gifts, and personally, I am looking forward to reading the Women and Social Security booklet because
KTB is relaying, actually.
You know, for many people, public television is the only access they have to see shows like this. I mean, think for a
National
moment
Weather
of
Service in Salt Lake City has
Sounds like they have a bit of a delay, huh?
Weber County in northern Utah, Southern Cache County in northern Utah, East Central Box Elder County.
An array of educational programs for kids and adults. Well, we ask you to partner with us now so that we can continue this wonderful tradition of making programs like this one accessible to everyone in your community. If you've never been a member of this station or you'd like a more convenient way to give,
Do your stuff.
A sustaining member. As a sustainer, you sign up to make automatic monthly contributions directly from your bank account or credit card. You decide the amount, whatever works best with your budget. And since it's automatic, you never need to think about it.
Expects considerable tree damage.
Your account will remain
Damage
active
is
until
likely
you
to
ask
mobile
us to
homes,
start.
roofs,
Now,
and
signing up is
outbuildings.
easy. You can enroll
Locations
online at our
projected
website
include
or
Austin,
by calling the
Franco
number
City,
on your screen.
Laketown,
And from
Yale
there,
Air Force
one of
Base,
our
Troy,
operators will quickly
Clinton,
get you
North
set up.
Austin, South
Donating
Austin,
to public television
Washington,
has never been
Riverview,
easier,
Hymer,
so we
Hoover,
hope to hear
Cary,
from you soon.
Willard, Marion, Sladeville, Mantua,
Support this
University,
public television station
South
right
Willard,
now
West
and gain
Haven,
access
and
to some
Pleasant View.
incredible tools to
This
help you
includes
make
the
the most of
following
your
highways.
Social Security
Interstate 15
benefits.
between mile
Become a
markers
monthly
330
sustainer at the
east and
$5 level, or make a one-time annual gift of
Interstate 84
$60
between
and
mile
pay some
markers
thanks
82
by
and
sending your
83.
Social Security and
Utah
new with
Route
Mary
30
Franklin
between mile
and
markers
DVD. It's the
122 and
program you're watching
124.
now, filled with tips
For
and
your
advice
protection,
from one of
move
the
to an
country's
interior
leading
room on the
experts on
lowest floor
Social
of the
Security
building.
and Medicare.
Repeating,
And
a
if you're
severe
looking for even
thunderstorm
more
warning has
information
been
to help you
issued until
navigate the
1
world of
p.m.
Social
Mountain
Security,
Standard Time
make
for
an
the
ongoing
following
monthly
counties
contribution
in
of
Utah.
$15 or a one-time donation of $180, and you'll receive the Social Security and You Master Package, filled with materials vital to helping you
Alright,
make the best
now
decisions
waiting
when it
on
comes to your
KUD.
retirement. The Master Pack.
Hey Google, play the Real Estate Today podcast. We're going abroad for the first time in years. To Spain.
But we don't speak Spanish.
So we started using Babbel.
And started learning Spanish fast.
With Babbel, you can start having conversations in another language in just 3 weeks. Babbel's conversational method teaches you real-life words and phrases. And with Babbel's interactive bite-sized lessons, you'll remember what you learned.
¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿De dónde eres?
¿De dónde eres?
When you learn a language, you want to actually use it.
The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a tornado warning for east central Kings County in central California, western Tulare County in central California until 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's 4:36 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Corcoran, Oregon, 16 miles southwest of Tulare, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Corcoran around 4:40 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest
business and solve it for you. You never have to.
So, prior to the previous expiration that you guys, or prior to the previous warning, you guys, oh, never mind.
California has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Tulare County in central California.
Fucking damn it, I hate this damn fucking... Hold on. This fucking piece of ass. Let's try that again. Not fucking holding two things at once.
following locations: Pixley and Tiffin. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Keep your outdoors. In a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Yeah. So, now that everything's done here, I screenshotted this from Radar Scope, and this was as of just now 8 minutes ago. I highlighted this area here prior to the previous expiration to this warning. Not the best zoom effects, at least on here, but I made a prediction off camera that with this new area of rotation here, that they were going to issue another tornado warning. Look at what we got here. MTR, what do you want? Oh, now Santa Cruz County is getting involved. Oh, and also, bitch. Oh, they expired that marine warning. But, as I was saying, Billings, what kind of drugs are y'all smoking there? The hell is this bullshit? Yeah. No. Oh, and one other thing, in case if you guys were wondering what the storm actually looks like on Radar Scope at the moment, since it just now updated, it's this. This was the area of rotation right down here, and it was previous kind of in a spinning in kind of this, fashion, and this fashion here. And it looks like the worst part of it is just going to pass just north of Pixley. Yep. So, yeah, that, ooh, hello, we got another rotating icon here. Oh, it looks like rotation is strengthening again. Yeah, this thing is kind of trekking its way east. I have a feeling this is kind of like a somewhat of a cyclic supercell, but it's kind of a low-topped supercell at best. Because the storm originated just south of Corcoran, rather, right along the Kings-Tulare County line. And then slowly made its way east across the line. And now it's the worst part of the storm is just about to pass the highway. Right here. So we'll see what happens from there. Until the expiration time there. Okay, I'm gonna make this quick so I don't fucking get copyright up the ass. This is the fucking definition of cross-wiring. Yeah, this is the fucking definition of cross-wiring.